Happy Monday! What's going on, everybody? What's happening? Has anybody had lunch yet? Are you about to eat lunch? Tell me everything. Does anybody intermittent fast out there? Inquiring minds want to know. So here's the deal. It's Monday. It's like 12:30-ish in Chicago. And hi, Carmela. How are you? So it's Monday, and I intermittent fast every day. I was just working out, and so now I just got around to, coming back in the house, and I'm gonna have my first meal of the day. I'm gonna break my fast, essentially, which is the reason why breakfast is called breakfast. Break fast, breakfast. Hi, gorgeous girly, how are you? How's California? I bet the weather is so much nicer there than it is here. I mean, Chicago's fabulous today. It's just a little snowy, a little chilly, a little kind of rainy outside, a little cold, a little icy. I don't know, I'm just saying a few things, but their sun is outside, so it's fabulous, right? Gotta look at the positives. The glass is always half full. Okay, so I'm just about to break my fast, and I just figured that I would come on and I would show you guys what I am about to break my fast with, because, I don't know, I get this question all the time. Sometimes people are like, do you just eat avocados all day? What do you eat all day? I mean, are you just drinking ketones all day? What's the deal? What's going on? So today, I don't always break my fast with this shake, but I do consume this shake quite often, I'm gonna tell you. It's raining in San Diego. Oh, but rain is okay, but I bet the weather is the weather warmer though? Because here it's like 20 something degrees outside, and we had to put salt on the driveway because it was really, really icy. I'm just saying. That's okay though. Life could be a lot worse. Positive, positive, positive. It's a positive Monday in the world. We're all good and healthy. So, okay, I am gonna break my fast right now with a peanut butter, I was gonna say Reese's, but it's not a Reese's. It's a peanut butter, it's a keto peanut butter chocolate shake. Like a Reese's peanut butter cup, right? Like a Reese's peanut butter cup, because we all know and love Reese's peanut butter cups. But this is not, has nothing to do with Reese's. It's a chocolate peanut butter keto shake, and it's super delicious, extremely nutritious, very simple to make. It gives you so many different things in one fabulous glass of love, fabulosity, wonderfulness, goodness. I'm just saying, okay? So I'm gonna show you what I put in it. The recipe calls for almond milk. However, and I usually have almond milk here, but I'm like a big flax milk girl. I'm just saying, I love flax milk. So this is my thing. However, hi Carol, how are you, gorgeous? I use flax milk for everything, but I do usually have almond milk here and coconut milk for the kids. And I guess they drank it all this morning because it's gone. So flax milk it is. Flax milk I would use anyways for myself. So flax milk is really, really a good option because it's low in calories, it's got protein, and it's low in carbs. There's like 1 carb per cup in this sucker. 1 carb per cup. There's 60 calories in a cup, and there's 8 grams of protein. Like honestly, this is a really good keto choice of a beverage, right? Okay, so if you're staying away from like cow's milk, or I'm not even gonna go onto the milk subject right now. I'm just saying I drink this. I like this. This is deliciousness. I also drink heavy whipping cream. I'm just saying. So here it is. 1 cup of milk of your choice, okay? A keto-friendly milk. I personally wouldn't go for regular cow's milk, but that's just me, okay? I'm not knocking the cows. So 1 cup of your milk of choice. Personally, I think it should be almond milk or flax milk or coconut milk. But hey, you do what works best for you, right? So 1 cup, give or take a little bit here or there. Then we are going to put in a scoop of our protons, okay? And here's the proton, silk milk, right, Amy? Silk milk is good too. I stay away from soy, but you know what? It's all a personal preference. I'm not knocking any of them, truly. I'm really not. I'm just saying that flax milk works for me, and most people don't even realize that flax comes in milk, right? How do you like milk of flaxseed? I don't know, but they did it, right? This is awesome, and it tastes really yummy too. Okay. This is the magical ingredient because this is a 3-fer. I say this all the time. Okay, this is a 3-fer. This is protein powder and MCT oil and ketones all in one container, one fabulous container. And this is the chocolate flavor, okay? So I have this also in orange flavor, which is really, really tasty with flax milk also. But here's the thing, this is the chocolate flavor. And the funny thing about this is, it's chocolate, but it's white. I don't know. Is it white chocolate? I'm not exactly sure, but it's chocolate flavored. It's chocolate, so it's MCT oil, it's chocolate protein powder, and it's ketones. How could it get any better than that, right? So we put 1 scoop of this into our shake. So 1 scoop of our Protones into our blender, okay? And then for the peanut buttery goodness, you're gonna use, you could use regular peanut butter if you wanted to. However, this is easier and I think it's less calories too, probably. This is protein, this is roasted peanuts, just ground up basically. And you're just gonna put like 1 teaspoon of it in here. 1 teaspoon for flavoring, 1 teaspoon, okay? And then if you want, you don't have to, but if you want, you can put like a teaspoon, give or take, right, of Lily's chocolate chips. So you have like little bits of chocolate chip in your shake, which is really kind of tasty. It's super tasty. And Lily's is the keto chocolate chip of choice. I'm just saying, Lily's is deliciousness. Can you guys see that? I've got it open on this side before it all falls out. So Lily's, and I'm just gonna do like one of these. I'm just gonna do like this, and I'm just gonna do like that, because it's my shake, right? But you could use a fancy spoon if you're making it for other people. I'm just saying, I do a little bit and a little bit of that, okay? So that is all of the ingredients for my keto protein shake that I'm going to break my fast with. I have been fasting since, oh my gosh, I've been fasting. I can't even remember the last time I ate. It was yesterday, and it's been at least 14 hours. So that's the way I work. And I worked out this morning. Took the kids to school, like did a little workout this morning. And we're doing the push-up challenge right now. So every hour on the hour, give or take, we are all doing 10 push-ups. So I'm just saying, if anybody would like to join us for the push-up challenge, it's only going for 5 days. Our goal is to do 500 push-ups this week, okay? By Friday, 500 push-ups. You were getting fluffy. Oh, you're doing a 48-hour reboot. That's awesome, Amy. That's okay. I love it. I reboot all the time, even when we're not doing the reboot. I love rebooting. So we are doing, if anybody would like to join, it's completely free and it's totally fun and it's extremely fabulous, okay? It's all my favorite F words. I'm just saying, today is the first day, so if anybody would like to join us, it's not even like an official page or anything like that. You just say you're gonna do it. You're gonna do it every hour. Zena, look at my post that I did at 5 o'clock this morning. That's where everyone is posting. So at 5 o'clock this morning, I posted a post. It's me planking at the grocery store, actually. And underneath the post is where everybody is posting every time they do like 10 push-ups. So every hour on the hour, give or take, okay? Give or take, we are all doing 10 push-ups. 10 times today. So 10 push-ups at a time, 10 times throughout this day at some point. So by the end of this day, we have 100 push-ups under our belt, so to speak, right? Under our belt. So today will be 100 push-ups. And then tomorrow, same thing. We're just gonna repeat the process, right? So by Friday evening, we should all have 500 push-ups. That's pretty cool, right? Okay, let's blend this shake. That's pretty darn cool. All right, this is plugged in. Plugging it in is pretty important. Okay, we're gonna blend. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's blending. I didn't put any ice in it. I could have put ice in it, but I didn't put any ice in it. But it looks really tasty. Okay, look at this. Check this out. It looks really tasty. See it? Can you guys see it? Let me see here. Okay, I didn't put any ice in it, although I think I might put some ice in it. But there it is in a nutshell. This is 1 cup of flax milk. It's 1 scoop of the chocolate Protones. Hi, John! Chocolate Protones are protein powder, MCT oil, and ketones all together combined. It's a teaspoon of powdered peanut butter powder, right? That's a lot of peas. And then it's 1 teaspoon, give or take, of Lily's chocolate chips right here. And I don't have anything to pour it into, but that's okay. I'm gonna pour it in a glass and then I'm gonna take a picture. But it smells really yummy. I'm gonna add some ice to it and I'm gonna blend it up a little bit more. This is how I am breaking, this girl is breaking her fast today. What did you guys do for lunch? How are you guys breaking your fast? Are you fasting? Are you intermittent fasting, or did you have breakfast this morning? Hey, whatever works for you. I'm just curious what works for you guys. This works for me. It's about 12:30. I'm having my first meal now, and I'm going to also have some kale salad in a little bit and some poached eggs. I'll take a picture of that as well. How are you, John? Carol, don't you want some of my shake? Come on over, share the shake with me. There's plenty to go around. I can make more. Whoever wants to come over is welcome to come over. All right, that's it. I hope you guys go home and all make protein shakes tomorrow. I'm just saying, if you want more recipes or if you have any questions or tips or tricks. Oh yeah, you did chicken, Carol, you did chicken. I know you did chicken because you were here yesterday talking about your chicken. I'm sure your chicken is super delicious. That's really yummy too. I'll swap you. You give me chicken, I'll give you a protein shake. How about that? And you'll be here for boxing today too, right? We're gonna box, we're gonna eat chicken and drink protein shakes together. That's a party in itself, right? Okay, yay. I hope everybody has the most magical Monday ever. Let me know if you have any questions regarding the shake, and I will talk to you guys around dinner time because I'm gonna come back on here and talk about what I'm making for dinner. I don't even know yet, but I'm gonna figure it out by dinner time. Happy Monday. See you guys later.